Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at both Air Jordan 1s by Nike's Jordan Brand and Travis Scott. Probably the most highly anticipated sneaker releases of 2019. The Air Jordan 1 High Travis Scott released back in May here in the UK, and these Air Jordan 1 Lows released on the 20th of July exclusively through the Nike Sneakers app. Both shoes come in a chocolate brown Air Jordan 1 box with red Nike branding. One noticeable difference is the more recent Jordan 1 Low features a wider label that also includes Nike's new barcode system. However, the box setup is almost the same, but I did notice that the new Jordan 1 Low box is slightly bigger, although I did have a half size smaller. They both come with pink wrapping paper with Travis Scott inspired sketches all over it. The Air Jordan 1 High comes with an extra set of white, mocha brown, pink and red laces, so that's 5 sets of laces in total. However, the Air Jordan 1 Low comes with 4 laces, the black and red being waxed and the pink and extra black come in that classic oval style laces. I love the packaging all round, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Side by side, both shoes have a very similar design with that oversized reverse Nike swoosh in that mocha suede colorway. However, the Air Jordan 1 High sports a sail, tumbled leather, toe and paneling, while the Low features that black nubuck. The medial side has a subtle white Cactus Jack branding painted just behind the swoosh, while the Low is in red. Same goes with the painted wings logo on the High. This is then moved to the heel on the Low, this time embroidered on the right foot. The left foot has the Cactus Jack face embroidered in red, while on the Air Jordan 1 High is the bust. And one other difference is the red Cactus Jack branding on the insoles on the Jordan 1 High, while the Travis Scott has a rectangular Travis Scott branding on the Jordan 1 Low. However, both shoes sit on an aged Jordan 1 midsole with a dark mocha brown outsole. So which is better? I would stick with the Highs because I think the Velcro stitch collar is a little bit gimmicky, but it's quite cool at the same time. The Jordan 1s are very cool, and I like that it has that Jordan 1 Low SB shape, as well as the Nike Air on the tongue. And both shoes come with great materials all around. I feel like they feel very high quality, and there weren't really any defects on my pairs. I'm very happy to get both pairs for retail. Shout out to Offspring for the raffle win, and I managed to finally hit on the sneakers draw, which was probably the best moment of my life. This is definitely one of my favorite pickups of 2019. I love its unique design, and it's one of those shoes that if I didn't get, I would be super salty I missed out on. So I hope you found this quick unboxing and comparison useful. Sorry about the lack of on feet, I've been quite busy with work. So here are my thoughts on the shoe, now it's time for yours. Did any of you pick these up? Did you miss out? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment Scott to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all of the links will be in the description apart from that. Have a good day.